Makeup Brushes Makeup Brush Set 16 PCS Bespoke Pro Premium Synthetic Foundation Concealers Eyeshadows Makeup Brushes Set Matte Green Bristle Materials Synthetic Fiber Brand Bespoke Pro Recommended Uses for Product Face Makeup Color Matte Green Material Wood Skin Type All Item Form Wand Number of Pieces 16 Age Range Description Youth Handle Material Wood This item Get a complete makeup brush set. This 16 PCS makeup brushes is a pro-level brush set featuring all brush essentials, 5 big kabuki brushes and 11 PCS precision brushes, foundation brushes, eyeshadow brushes, concealer brush, and powder brush in an all-inclusive brush kit. Forget all about skin irritations. Our makeup brushes set includes soft makeup brushes made of skin-friendly synthetic fibers. These makeup brushes feel velvety soft on the skin and feature finer tips than most eyeshadow brushes, ensuring maximum precision during use. Contour, blend, shade, or highlight like a pro whether you're aiming for smoky eyes or chiseled cheekbones. This face brush kit is great for you. It's non-shedding and makes it easy to sweep, swirl, and blend eyeshadows, blush, and highlighter into place. Apply your makeup without tiring your hand. Each makeup brush in our set features a non-slip handle made of high-end ferrule and natural wood, ensuring comfort and ease of use for effortless and fast makeup application. Spoil your girlfriend, wife, mom, or friend. These face makeup brushes are sturdy, functional, and elegant, making them the great choice for women and young ladies. They're an awesome present idea for any occasion. Spoil your girlfriend, wife, mom, or friend. The face makeup brushes are sturdy, functional, and elegant, making the best makeup brushes for women, young girls, teens, and an awesome gift idea for any occasion. 16-piece makeup brush set. Designed for makeup professionals.